Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can download full M-PESA statement date backing to the period of your choice. What you're supposed to do basically, you're supposed to dial *100# then press OK. Then you shall be taken into this interface. What you're supposed to do basically, just go into where you have option 1, where we have M-PESA stroke reverse option. After getting there, you shall get into this interface. Just select option 4, where we have statement. After coming here, you shall be given two options where you can request a statement or verify a statement. But in this case, we want to request a statement. So you'll be given also two options where you can get full statement or a summary statement. But in our case, we need a full statement. So we shall take option 1. Then from there, you'll be taken into this statement where you have different period where you can download your statement. But in our case, we want to get to date back to the period of our choice, not last 12 months, but you want to cover a period between 2023 and 2025 and see if we can be able to get that statement. So we can try to date back from to date back to the period of our choice. So we shall just go with option 7, where we shall get a period from 11th September 2023, dating back from these, then to 11th September 2025. So we can try and set. So confirm detail entered from the date. So we can confirm this is the period which we want our statement to cover, then we can confirm. So we can choose the email which we want the statement to be sent. Maybe in case you have not entered your email, you can enter a new email. So you should just type your email here, like I'm typing. You can just type your email here if it is not here, but mine is already inputted as a default here. So in this case, I should just select my email and then I enter my M-PESA pin and then click send. So and immediately I do this, the M-PESA statement will be sent into my email, the email which you have input there. Then there is a code which will be sent in my phone. So I have been told I wait for 30 minutes in order to receive the verification code, which will give me an OTP, which can help me now to access the statement. So because this statement is date backing for a longer period, so maybe it can be sent now. As you can see, already I have the OTP to open the file. So I can get back into my email and see if the statement is already here. I have the statement, so I can just get into my email. So the statement has already been sent to me. So in order to open this statement now, I can come here and check my OTP so that I can be able to open this statement. So it is dating back from that long period. So let me see how much I have spent within that period. So the OTP is here. So it is 720 742, if I'm not wrong. So this is my statement. So you can be able to get a summary statistics of the transaction which you have made. Like you can see the amount which have been paid into my account. So this is the cash inflow, and the amount which have been paid out from my account, which is cash outflow. So you can be able to track your transaction and see if you have paid out more than what you have received, which is a question of an alarm. Then you can be able to view all the transactions which I have made up to date. So the transactions are here. These are the all transactions which I have made even today. So you can be able to visualize them from here, seeing the name of the person who you have sent the money or the receipt which you have received. So they are well analyzed. So you can see like we have the paid in and the amount withdrawn from your account. So they are here, time, date, and also the receipt number or the code which is automatically generated by M-PESA. So this is a very long list. which is approved by Safaricom. And this is how you can be able to get a full M-PESA statement backdating from period of your choice. So you can also play with the other period which are there for like for a month or for the last 12 months, and you can be able to get full statement without a lot of hassle. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss out any of our future rolling content like this. Thank you and God bless you.